Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala, He chose you for a great purpose today, helping to build the house of Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala. يقول الله تبارك وتعالى وما تقدموا لأنفسكم من خير تجدوه عند الله. Whatever you give for the sake of Allah Azza wa Jal, Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala will replace you 10 times more than what you spend. Wallahi, 1,000 pounds is nothing. If you want to take your children to Turkey for a holiday, only the ticket might cost 3,000-4,000 pounds. So what is 1,000 pounds to spend for the masjid of Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala? It's nothing, wallahi. What is 2,000 pounds? What is 3,000 pounds? What is 10,000 pounds? Man bana baytan lillah bana Allahu lahu baytan fil jannah. If you put your intention, you're building a house for Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala. Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala, wallahi, if you die tonight, Allah will build a house in the Jannah. But Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala bringing you here today, it means that Allah wants good for you. So brothers, we need to donate generously. We need to donate generously. How long are we going to live in this dunya? 60 years, 70 years? The Prophet ﷺ said, أعمار أمتي ما بين 60 و70 والقليل من يجوز ذلك. He said, average age of my ummah, 70 and 80, and few who might go over that. So wallahi, if you are clever, you will use your time wisely. If you know you're going to live in the grave for another 1,000, 2,000 years, then wallahi, this 60, 70, 80 years that we live in this dunya is nothing. If you don't work here for the sake of Allah Azza wa Jal, if you don't do charity for the sake of Allah Azza wa Jal, wallahi, this is a big charity, helping the masjid, supporting the house of Allah Azza wa Jal. This can save you from the punishment of the qabr. So brother, sister, wallahi, donate generously for the sake of Allah Azza wa Jal. This is a big opportunity for you. Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala, He brought you here today to support this project. Whatever you can. If you cannot give, bring someone who can donate. If you don't